Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video, this is actually a very special day for me because today is the day that I'm gonna buy my new car. It's actually a birthday gift for myself. So I'm planning, I actually decided to buy a Toyota. So especially the Toyota CHR here in Vancouver, Kingsway. So here in Kingsway, Vancouver. So let's go inside and let's meet my agent, the sales advisor. So what you call it, a car agent. So let's go inside. So guys, I am really excited right now because I'm gonna get my brand new car today, because the car that I'm using right now is actually very old and there's so many problems in it. So right now I'm going to see the car that I'm gonna get, and yeah, let's go, keep walking. And this is actually the pantry area of the Regency, the Toyota Regency, and this is the showroom. So let's see my car. Let's go. So guys, right behind me is actually the car that I wanted to buy. So this is a Toyota CHR 2021. So guys, right now I'm here inside the Toyota CHR color blue XLE. So actually this is really nice. So this is my birthday gift for myself for this year. So I've been working a lot, I need to give something for myself for my 20th birthday. Just kidding. So guys, this is actually Eddie. Eddie is my what do you call your position again?
I'm a product advisor.
So I'm getting what car I'm getting again? I'm sorry. CHR.
A Toyota CHR.
Is it the best car?
XLE.
XLE, okay.
It's an excellent car.
Excellent car.
Very nice car. Very nice color too. It's a two-tone color, blue and black. It's a beautiful car.
So guys, actually the place is located where in Kingsway, right?
On Kingsway and 12, right in the corner of 12.
So you guys,
401 Kingsway.
So you guys, if you wanna actually buy a Toyota, you can actually talk to Eddie. He is a really good guy.
Thank you so much.
He can give you a good deal, right?
I will try my best.
Okay. Yeah, so
that much I can promise.
Okay. Okay, yeah. See you later guys. I'm gonna get my new car, the blue one, right? I love the color. Actually, I
It's
really love the
beautiful.
color.
It's beautiful.
This is actually, I decided to buy the new car this month because next month is my birthday.
Oh,
So that's why.
congratulations.
Thank you. So yeah, that's why I wanted to buy a brand new car instead of getting a used car. So,
Sure, why not? You deserve it, man. You deserve it.
Thank you. So yeah, see you later.
All right.
So guys, I'm just waiting here at the lobby. I'm actually waiting for my car to be released, and they said it will take around maybe 30 to 1 hour. So it depends to I don't know. I'm just waiting here. So I'm excited. I'm excited to drive my new car for my birthday. So guys, I got my new car and I have to celebrate it with my friend, with my old friend actually. So yeah, he is actually our regular customer at the Starbucks, and yeah, we always go out once in a while. Yeah, and I'm gonna meet him somewhere here in Vancouver, and I'll see you in Tepanyaki. It's a Tepanyaki, it's a restaurant in downtown. It's a very good restaurant. So see you there.